I am going to use print then cut to make some labels for around my house. Since we're working from home, I thought it'd be funny just to make one that says Mosh headquarters. And then I'm going to put this on the exercise bike downstairs. And then I'm going to make this one to put on my office door so that nobody disturbs me. So what I did was I typed up the text and then I inserted a shape. Like for this one, I'm just going to insert a square. I'm going to make it white. Then I'm going to unlock this so I can make it a rectangle. And now I'm going to go arrange and send to back. And now if I select both the words and the shape, I can align them to center them perfectly. Great. So now I want to flatten. And I have both the words and the shape um, selected. So then I flatten them all together. And unfortunately, since this is all just screenshots, you're not going to be able to see it finish, but I will post a picture of the finish. But when I go make it, it looks like it's just going to print the words, but those rectangles are underneath there. Um, and then it will cut out the rectangles. So make sure to come back. Oh, here's another thing. If I go send to printer, you can also check to make sure that you have things set up right, because if I had this set up incorrectly and some people are finding that their letters get cut out, when I switch between bleed on and bleed off, if it was going to set up to cut the letters would look fuzzy. So that's a way to check right here because they're nice and crisp and clear. So that means for sure it's going to cut the rectangles and not the letters. I hope that helped you to understand a little bit more about print and cut. Make sure to check the bleed to see if your letters are set to cut, and hopefully you can make some fun labels for your house too. Thanks.